Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We are out of town again, so it is time to continue the calligraphy journey. Let's do some research and watch the next video on the rest of the letters. Okay, so we are still following lovely loops. We are on part 6 of 7. First letter is T with entrance. This descending part is similar to the letter D that we worked on a few videos ago. End it with a cross. That wasn't too bad. Next letter we have is U, which is entrance, underturn, underturn. So this part of the T, she also called it underturn. I spoke wrong and said it was the descending. Let's practice the U. The U felt very similar to N and M. Next is V, which is a compound with that little dot there. Let's practice it. The comma dot for the V we also used up here for O. Next letter is W, which is very similar to U. Also has that comma dot. Same thing with the V there. Let's try it out. The W felt pretty easy, similar to the U, but the next letter X is supposed to be pretty hard according to her. The overturn into an upside down C, a non-shaded C with a little comma there. Let's give it a go. I did struggle a little bit with that. It just felt kind of awkward, so more practice is needed. Y is pretty easy. Back to normal strokes, compound, descending, and exit. Let's work on that. The Y wasn't too bad. Last letter is Z, which is overturn upside down C, similar to like the X, and then a longer overturn into an exit. Let's finish this up. We're done practicing all the letters. Next video should be pretty interesting, putting everything together. Can't wait to see what that looks like. But for now, video 283 done.